welcome to Preschool Storytime. It's a little bit different, but we're still gonna have fun. So I thought maybe we could start with, if you're happy and you know it, just like you would if we were here at the library. Are you ready? Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. What comes next? I think it's stomp our feet. Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Let's shout hooray. I want it nice and loud. Hooray! Nice and loud. Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! Whew. Let's do all three. Ready? Are we ready? If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Hooray! Good job. Today's story time, we're going to talk about farm animals. The first story we're going to start with, My Farm Friends. Welcome to the farm. All kinds of animals live on the farm. Some live outside, some live in the barn. Furry ones, feathered ones, woolly ones too. Some things that they do just might surprise you. Roosters crow all day long. They say cock-a-doodle-doo. When it's early in the morning, will you cock-a-doodle-doo too? Pigs can't sweat or jump in a pool, so they roll in the mud, and that's how they stay cool. Billy Goat, silly goat, chews everything just because he's curious. And when he nibbles at your clothes, it might make you furious. Turkeys can be very friendly, sometimes sitting in your lap. They even purr when they're content, just like a kitty cat. Cats work hard on the farm, chasing mice from the barn. They also spend much time at rest. Sometimes a lamb's back is the best. Cows drink a bathtub full of water to produce milk every day. But suppose you tried to take a bath and a cow got in your way. Chickens take dust baths and wear a comb on their head. Chickens come in many colors, but their combs are always red. Sheep are gentle creatures who get nervous when alone, but when they find their flock, they feel happy and at home. Horses eat hay, and horses say nay. They sleep standing up. Could you sleep that way? Lots of baby animals live on the farm too. And guess what? They would all love to have a visit from you. The next story, 5 Fuzzy Chicks. Out on the farm, it's been a long day. Sun's getting low, night's on the way. Everyone's tired, all the work's done, but 5 fuzzy chicks. Want to run, 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 run. Five fuzzy chicks run past the plow, into the grass and under the cow. The cow says, moo, moo. The chicks say, chip, chip. But the grass is so cozy. One chick falls asleep. 4 fuzzy chicks skip by the pigs, hop on a rock, and dance silly jigs. The pigs say, oink, oink. The chicks say, chip, chip. But the moss is so soft, one chick falls asleep. 3 fuzzy chicks dance in the clover, hop past the fence, and right over Rover. The dog says, woof, woof, and the chicks say, cheep, cheep. But the dog is so snuggly, one chick falls asleep. 2 fuzzy chicks, skipping along, pass by the horse and sing him a song. The horse says, neigh, neigh, and the chicks sing, cheep, cheep. But the hay is so comfy, one chick falls asleep. 1 fuzzy chick, out to have fun, hops by the sheep and counts every one. The sheep says, baa, baa, and the chick starts to cheep, but before she can finish, she falls fast asleep. Chick sleeping here, chick sleeping there, in the grass, by the stable, chicks everywhere. Mama hen hurries to gather her troop. She scoops them all up and runs back to the coop. She whispers, cluck, cluck, and the chicks whisper, cheep. And their nest is so quiet, 5 chicks fall fast asleep. And the next story is Down by the Barn. Down by the barn, early in the morning, see the little wagons all in a row. See the tractor driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, click, clank, off we go. Down by the cows, early in the morning, see the little calf waiting to go. See the tractor driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, clink, clank, moo, moo, off we go. Down by the chickens, early in the morning, see a little chick waiting to go. See the tractor driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, clink, clank, moo, moo, beep, beep, off we go. Down by the pigs, early in the morning, see the little piglets waiting to go. See the tractor driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, clink, clank, moo, moo, beep, beep, wee, wee, off we go. Down by the geese, early in the morning, see the little goslings ready to go. See the tractor driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, clink, clank, moo, moo, beep, beep, wee, wee, onk, onk, off we go. Down by the sheep, early in the morning, see the little lamb waiting to go. See the tractor driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, clink, clank, moo, moo, beep, beep, wee, wee, honk, honk, ba, ba. Off we go. Down by the goats, early in the morning, see the little kid waiting to go. See the tractor driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, clink, clank, moo, moo, beep, beep, wee, wee, honk, honk, ba, ba, neigh, neigh, off we go. Oh, oh! Splat! Down by the cats, early in the morning, see the little kitten waiting to go. See the tractor driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, clink, clank, moo, moo, beep, beep, wee, wee, honk, honk, ba, ba, neigh, neigh, meow, meow. Off we go.
Down by the children's barn early in the morning, see the baby animals exit in a row. See the tractor driver pull his little lever, puff, puff, clink, clank. Here at last!
And for the final story, we're going to read about Farmer Brown goes round and round.
My chores are done, said Farmer Brown. The air was filled with happy sounds. A purring cat, a snoring hound, pigs that oinked, cows that mooed, sheep that baaed, doves that cooed, hens that clucked, wild donkeys brayed, and goats that neighed, and mares that neighed, his bossy little rooster who cock-a-doodle-doo! But then he heard a rumbling sound that made his smile turn upside down. Farmer Brown heard thunder rumbling. Lightning flashed and the air was humming. "Look out!" he cried. "A twister's coming!" A black cloud raced across the ground. The twister's tail came dancing down and whisked the rooster, cat, and hound into the air with Farmer Brown. While clouds of sheep swirled through the air, the clothesline chased the goat and mare until each one had on a pair of Farmer Brown's plaid underwear. The twister roared, the twister grew, horns and hooves and white wool blue, round snouts and tails all curly-cued, while fur and feet and feathers flew. Frightened pigs sailed on the backs. The dairy cows marked black and white. Hens laid eggs when thunder cracked. They hit the farmer with a smack. Then once they all were spinning around, the wind just stopped and dropped them down. The farmer landed safe and sound. His animals were all around, but his cow oinked, his pig mooed, his sheep clacked, his cat cooed, the mare howled, his hens brayed, the goats meowed, his hound neighed, the donkey neighed and ate the towel, the doves baaed. The farmer scowled. "What's wrong with you?" he tried to shout, but cock-a-doodle-doo came out. The next thing that the farmer knew, he heard his bossy rooster, who was telling him what he should do. "You have to milk the mooing sows. You slop the muddy oinking cows. Go check the nests the sheep have made and gather any eggs they've laid." Get the shirt, the donkey's chewing. Give birdseed to the cat, he's cooing. Take the baaing doves to pasture. Feed the hound his oats, work faster. Pet the goats, they keep meowing. Throw the mare her bone, she's howling. Hitch the hens up, plow the ground. The rooster frowned. "What is that sound?" Up in the sky the lightning cracked. The wind blew hard and the clouds grew black. The rooster yelled, "The twister's back!" Another twister roared and grew, horns and hooves, and the white wool blew, all the tails uncurling cued, while fur and feet and feathers flew. But when this twister dropped them down, the cat meowed, and soon the hound was barking at familiar sounds. The pigs oinked, the cows mooed, the sheep baa, the doves cooed, the hens clucked, cluck, cluck, the donkey brayed, The goats neighed, the mare neighed, neigh. The rooster cock-a-doodle-dooed. The farmer said, enough from you. It looks like I've got work to do. And soon the place was good as new, except on days when strong winds blew, when neighbors heard the farmer who crowed, cock-a-doodle-doo!
For today's craft for story time, we're gonna make a sheep, since we talked about farm animals. So I cut a white round circle, the size of a plate, to start for the sheep's body. And then 2 small white round for the eyes, and a black center. So I'm going to glue the center onto the white circle. And you can use any glue that you have at home. I have Elmer's, you have tacky glue, and a glue stick. The Elmer's glue or tacky glue would probably be better for when we get to the cotton balls. Then we're going to glue the ears to the face. And glue the eyes to the face. So it looks like this. We'll set the sheep's face aside. Now with your body or your white circle for the sheep, we're going to glue cotton balls to the body, and I have cotton balls sticking to my fingers. Once you have all the cotton balls stuck to the round circle, we can glue our face to the sheep. And probably the Elmer's glue would be the best for the face to stick to the cotton balls. And we don't want to forget the feet. And you can just glue them to the underside of the body. And there's your sheep.